In Sawkins, Boatshed, Scotland. Here we are on a nice sunny day. Fortunately, in these circumstances, the sun is always your enemy, so I'm trying to get it so that we don't get sun shadow. Prop and the rudder. She's just lifted out yesterday, so there's been no anti-foul applied, and there won't be, obviously, while she's sat on the hard, for obvious reasons. Look at that hull, absolutely gleaming, marvellous example. As you can see, so I'm trying to keep the sun away, share as much of the boat as I can. There we are. How about that? She looks great.